You just choose it by choosing your vibration. Just like there are channels on the radio or on TV, you tune into one channel and then you are watching that channel. The same happens in your life all the time when you choose your timeline by choosing your vibration. Whether or not you do it consciously, it happens. And that timeline is your reality. And it's your most likely future as well. That's how some clairvoyants are able to see your future. Well, they just see the timeline that you're matched to in the moment you are there. And when you become more spiritual awakened, it's very unlikely that you will just stay in the same timeline. It's more like you're just jumping timelines and going like this, like I have, and most people do. Basically, you're changing your vibrational reality. The other timelines still exist, just like the other channels on TV exist, but you're not seeing them, you're not living them, because you are tuned into the one timeline, and that's where things look a certain way, that's where things go a certain way. So what I just want you to get out of this little video is that you can choose your timeline, you can choose your reality, and it's already there. It's already there. Become more conscious of your vibrations and learn to consciously choose where you vibrate at. Just learn to become more conscious of that. When you align with certain vibration, that's a certain timeline. You don't need to think it too complicatedly. It's just how this world is. It's free will in this world. We can choose how we are expanding this universe every day. It's so crazy. Now that I'm speaking to you, I'm just expansion of the universe. Just like you are, just like we are, just like we're all. The only way to switch your timeline is to switch your now, because that way you will switch your future. You won't go like, oh, I want to be here, but I'm still here. No, if you want to be here, you have to go here, and then you will go there. Okay? So you always change in the now, and only in the now. That's the only way to really manifest your dream reality. You can't just go on like saying that, oh, I hope in the future, I hope in the future, I hope in the future. Whatever it is. My point here is, don't be in that state that, oh, one day. No, today, right now. You see, change happens in the now. So baby, breathe and switch your vibration right now. Where do you want to be? Who do you want to be? Just be that. Be that now. And you will get there. Because that's the only way to get there. You tune into that. And if you don't see an instant change in your physical surroundings, you will feel an instant change in your vibrations. And that's what truly matters, because your vibrations, they manifest as your reality. So, just breathe. It's all fine. It's all so fine. I'm transmitting you this frequency right now because this is the frequency of empowerment. Empowerment means taking back your power and realizing your power and realizing how you can change your reality. You are the creator. You always were. Maybe you weren't conscious of it. You got the experience, but it's there now. You're here. Now you choose. Do you want to be a conscious creator right now? Or do you want to go on living like unconsciously? It's your choice. I respect your choice, whatever your choice is. But I just want you to remember that you can take your power back, baby. And you can exist in high vibrations, you can exist consciously and blissfully and peacefully. So enjoy your humanity experience. I'm happy to share this little moment with you, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste, my love. Namaste.